If you need to cancel a pending transaction with Wells Fargo, follow these steps to ensure the process goes smoothly. Step 1. Log into your account. Access your Wells Fargo online banking account or mobile app using your username and password. Make sure you are connected to a secure internet connection. Step 2. Navigate to Transactions. Once logged in, locate the Accounts section and select the account from which the pending transaction is listed. Look for the Transactions or Activity tab to view your recent transaction. Step 3. Identify the pending transaction. Scroll through a list of transactions to find the pending transaction you wish to cancel. Pending transactions are usually marked clearly, so they should be easy to spot. Step 4. Select the transaction. Click or tap on the pending transaction to view more details. This will provide you with specific information about the transaction, including the amount and merchant. Step 5. Cancel the transaction. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the SROC.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Once you've completed these steps, monitor your account to ensure the transaction is cancelled. If you have any issues, don't hesitate to reach out to Wells Fargo for further support.